Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to remove background from images. So let's take one example. Here, I'm having the photograph of myself, and I want to remove the background from it. So right click on it, copy, take it into the Excel. Now double click on it, remove the background. Either you can mark the areas to keep or you can mark areas to remove. So I'll start with this mark areas to keep. I'll just click here. It will identify on its own. So these are the areas which I want to keep. Mark areas to remove. So I don't want this. So I'll just click here and it will get removed. Mark areas to keep. Again, I can select this. Keep 2 3 dots and it will identify the borders. Again, keep 2 3 dots and it will definitely identify the borders. Similarly here. Okay. Once the selection is being done, keep the changes, right click on it, copy, take it into the Word file, Control V, and just see the background is gone. So this is how you can remove backgrounds in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.